Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Latoya, and if this is your first time visiting, welcome. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. And don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and dropping me a comment down below if you found this video helpful. Today is going to be a design with me video. I'm just going to show you how I design my chip bags in canva.com. That's the online software I'm going to be using. I have already uploaded my template. If you're interested in this template that I'm using, you can find it in the description box down below. I have already uploaded my images that I'm going to be using. I purchased these images off of Etsy. And when you're purchasing images, just make sure you read the license agreement for it, especially if you're going to be selling your products. All right, guys, so let's make the chip bag. It's going to be a unicorn theme. So let's get to the fun part and start designing. Stay tuned.